Well, welcome back to another episode of doing really good in the markets and then having a terrible week. I feel like it's just the same shit every time. You do good, you scale, uh, and then you get some payouts, and maybe they're a little bit more than last time, and then you just get humbled. Or I always hate to say the word humbled or the word humbled in like this scenario because and it's just the market doing the market. Like, I'm not going in super cocky and shit, but it's just the same old adage, the same story. I swear, it's. I mean, I didn't blow anything yet, but this was a bad week. I lost 3R this week. This is my first losing week in 6 weeks, I think. And just went 0 for 3 on 3 trades. I took a trade Monday, took a trade Thursday, took a trade Friday, and none of them played out. Man, just sucks sometimes. Just sucks. I don't even know if this looks fucking weird either too, because I like stretched it so it covered the whole screen. I don't know, whatever. But man, it's just brutal. Trading is so difficult. I don't know why. It's just fucking no. It goes up and down, and you're supposed to buy or sell, but God, it's so difficult. Like you just never like I feel like any other thing, like you get it down and that's just it. Like you figure out the business, you figure out what works, what doesn't work, and then you just improve from there. Which I mean, that is like trading, but sometimes the chips don't fall your way, and you, like you go off these like I mean, obviously it's still a good month. Requested like or I got paid like 13 or 14K in payouts I think this month, but like the month has just been shitty in general. Like I've had like 10 no trade days just because like market conditions been ass or like the price action's just been fucking terrible for or I don't, depending on what you trade. But I just like haven't been seeing my setups day after day after day after day, and sure that probably plays a factor in it because then I mean like I don't take a trade like last like Wednesday or Thursday. Then the market was off Friday because like Good Friday. Then you have the weekend, so that's 5 days. And I come back on Monday. I take a trade that, like, I never want to say I take a trade that I shouldn't have taken because I don't. Like, I have a specific set of rules and I follow the rules. So it's like it's always like me following the plan, but like sometimes just like your intuition, like it's more of me like not listening to my intuition, like knowing that it's probably not as high of a probability setup as other situations. So but then like it's probably from the fact that I haven't taken a trade in 5 days and I want to keep progressing, and so like I don't want to say I'm over trading because it's like all right, I took 3 trades and 3 of the trades followed the criteria that I needed it to meet, but like sometimes you just sit there and you're like is this really the one? And then like you take it and yeah, it doesn't work. So like I'm not breaking my rules or anything, but maybe just still a little too eager to get in the market just because I feel like the market owes me a setup, which obviously it fucking doesn't. It can do whatever it wants, but so I guess that's a psychology problem that I need to work on. But oh, it's just you're coming off of like literally just ripped all of March. I was like, okay, nice, and it like grew my like had literally like 0 accounts and built all my like got all the accounts, built all the accounts, got payouts in most of the accounts, and then it's like and like God, you just need like 2 good months, like because I'm just trying to move out and I just want to have like 40K in my trading account. Like I have like a separate bank account just for trading. I just want to have like 40K in there, and I just want to go in and I just want to pay my rent off like all for like the year or whatever right there. Like that's the plan. Like just kind of, like that way I don't have to finance anything. I don't have to worry about like getting a or like them like needing to see like work history and W-2 and that shit. Like I just want to go in. So like that's the goal right now because that's all I want to do is move out. But so like realistically, I need like 2 good months. I need like 1 month of building buffer in all my 20 accounts, which I did last month and even got a payout in some. And then it's like I needed like another month back to back, and that would be it. I'd be at my freaking 40K payout. Like I genuinely thought I had a chance to do it this month because I had already gotten like 14K, and it's like, all right, I just need to trade, like get all the pay, like all the accounts back to like one more payout, and if they're like $1,000 each or $1,200 each or something, it's like, all right, I'll be like pretty much there at my goal that I wanted. But then you just get fucking slapped around by the market and it kills you. But it's like there's nothing really I can even change or do. Like I made the mistake before of like trying to adjust things after I lose. Like I know you're gonna lose. It's just God, it's so hard to accept it sometimes. I don't even know if there's like any coherent like part of this, or like I don't know. I feel like I'm all over the place here, but I don't know. I'm just frustrated. That's all it is. It's just a bad week, and I mean, granted, I come back like there's nothing I can do. I just come back next week and try to perform better. I get like I will say these losses were more user error than before. Like I'm more irritated because I feel like I could have prevented myself from taking some of them, which I mean is probably better because I know my strategy works. It's just these ones were my fault, which I feel like I don't say often because normally my psychology is great and like I always execute well. But this is the first time in a while that I felt I could have performed better, and it's just not like, oh well, it's part of the data of like I'm gonna win some, I'm gonna lose some. Like I feel like I should be like down like 1 hour this week instead of 3, but I'm not. So that's I just have to fucking live with it. But just every time you think you got it, and like I'm not even saying I lose it, but like I don't know, you even like you lose 3 trades in a row and you just feel like shit. I don't know how people do like 1 to 2s and stuff where like they are only going to win like 45 or 50% of the time or something like that. Because even doing 1 to 1s and like having a win rate of like 60, 65, 70%, which is right where you want to be, or right where like I'm okay being, even with that, I just still feel like I lose too much and it sucks. So like I can't imagine the people who are doing 1 to 2s or 1 to 3s and they're only trying to be right like 30 or 40% of the time. I don't know how you go through the drawdowns of that, of the losing streak, because regardless of what it is, you're still going to go on losing streaks. I know like that mental is just like, well, I'm going to make it all back and then some when I do win, which is the case, but I just fucking hate losing so much that I'd rather just stick to a 1 to 1, and that way I'm gonna win more often, so it'll keep my like it keeps my confidence high and my mental high and stuff, which I think is important. I mean, that's about it. I don't really have anything else to say. I got no stats to pull up. I got no nothing. I'm down 3R on all of my accounts. That's about it. I got no payouts to show you, no nothing. Just a rant, a quick little rant that I'm posting. Then normally I record my videos at like friggin' midnight or something, and I just want to talk about trading. This one, I mean, I stopped trading at 11. It's 4 o'clock. Like that's when you cut off the charts, but it's still like more fresh than normal, so I'm just like more aggravated. Which I know, like they say, trading's not supposed to affect your day, and I do think I'll get to that point. Like it doesn't affect my trading. Like when I win or lose, like I still like keep calm and like do what I'm supposed to. But I'd be lying if I said it doesn't affect my like the rest of my day and like how I feel. Like yeah, if I win, I'll be walking around and I'm like, I'm the shit, and then I'll just like be telling my buddy or whatever that he sucks if he lost or whatever, and you know, just being an ass and cocky, like jokingly or whatever. But like you just feel better, and then you lose, and you're like, it just I don't know how to get it to not affect your mood. I think where I want to be, which is not at home, fucking living in my mom's basement. That it, like won't affect me as much, but like since like the only thing I want right now is to move out, I feel like the days that you lose, it's just like great. Now I'm just set back even further and further, so it's just tough. But maybe at some point I'll learn to deal with it a little bit better. But yeah, that's all I really got. Just fucking ranting here. That's it. Take care.